So today's job is to put new bearings in the alternator. So a mate of ours up here, friends of ours, Wendy and Bobby, have said we can use, oh there's their house there, have said we can use their workshop. So we're going to go and whip the bearings out and whip new ones in. I'm over here at my friend Bobby Ray's place, just doing the alternator bearings. That's the old housing there. Here's the old bearing. It's on its last legs. She's pretty noisy and pretty sloppy. So whack a new one of them in. Oh, nice new and shiny. Look at that. Good quality TDN bearing as well. I'm just putting a bit of Loctite, well, wood glue, but anything just to stop screws coming undone. Like retaining screws.
You put wood glue on there?
Well, anything. You put silicone on there, you can put, it's not locking the screw in like Loctite would. It's just to stop it vibrating out. Because there's no, these screws are just holding a plate, they're not holding anything special. So they don't need any expensive Loctite, they just need something to stop them vibrating out. So a bit of wood glue is perfect. Listen.
What's
That's
that?
the old bearing.
Okay.
It's shagged. There we go. The front bearing is...
Is that, so you've done one?
Done one. One down, one to go. That sits in there. Oh, smooth as smooth. That's the easy one done.
Okay. This is the difficult one?
Yeah. Well, I don't know. I haven't ever done this bearing. It's a little bit rusty. So what we do is we open the vise up and we get our 3-jaw pullers.
What's the puller? What's that thing?
It's a 3-jaw puller. So now in here, right there, we have the new rear bearing.
Beautiful.
New brushes, new brush holder, new thingo, new bearing. So tickety-boo, let's put it back together. Fantastic! That goes on there.
Bearings in. Putting all back together. I like the arrow.
You like what?
The arrow.
Well, that tells me which way the engine spins.
Yeah.
No more grrrr.
Fantastic.
Yeah, and no more in play, look at that. No more side play.
Man.
And then the lucky last.
Getting a hot dog.
Sí, gracias.
Tomate?
Sí.
Therein lies the difference. That's what makes the Mexican hot dog.
Oui.
There you go.
Breakfast of champions.
Yeah. That looks amazing. How is it? Is it good?
Very good.
Benny Benny?
One bar of chicken takes 2 hours.
Oh, 2 hours, okay.
Yeah.
Or the rice?
Wow, that's a lot of rice.
Making some final minor adjustments to the back cushions. Cutting them with the used filleting knife. All the base cushions are now finished. Ta-da! That's like butter. Popped into this little place for some breakfast lunch.
¿Las enchiladas de pollo o de queso?
Sí, pollo.
Pollo.
What did she just say? Chicken or cheese, she said. Pollo or queso?
I don't know.
She said yes and then we
I
picked
picked
a
one.
word.
Picked the word I know. Looking forward to that.
It's pretty cool. It's very Mexican. Coffee's arrived. Oh, that's a nice cup.
Which one?
Mine.
I love you,
How
Mum.
about mum?
Mine says I love you, Mum. Your face. Gracias. Wow.
Arrived.
So good.
Look at that. We're heading off to the big shops today to get the big things. Timber and batteries and crates and all the heavy big stuff. Getting ready for our trip, our big trip. Spring is coming.
Should be a few hundred crates back here in the back.
Alright.
Just trying to get crates to put all the cans in on the boat.
Nice looking onions there.
Move the weight to a different part of the boat. So we're here at this wholesale produce market. We're going to sneak around the back. So this is straight from the farm.
Yeah.
But this is where I usually find crates. They're just usually laying around back here. I've come and gotten crates here several times.
Canning tomatoes for weeks.
Oh, there's a potential pile. Oh, there's one in there. Is it looking decent or is it a bit dodgy?
There's a couple up the other end too.
Nice.
I think we'll do better than this. But
Yeah, okay. We want 4. Well, we think we want 4. I suppose it depends on the size.
Yeah, we have a timber. We have a timber that's very, very similar. Oh yeah, in Australia called mulga. It's red with the white on the outside.
Oh, they're like that.
I'm looking for them,
Small.
but that big.
Más grande tiene.
Because the forklifts and it's too dangerous.
The fish market, yeah. And
Yeah.
it's just
This is where I'd be shopping every week. How much?
4 pesos cada rama. Rama?
2 pesos each leño,
Each piece.
leño, piece, a piece.
The broom shop. What have you found?
Oh, muffin tins.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Any pie tins?
No pie tins.
Looking for pie tins. Oh look, there's tiny presses. A double. That would be for quesadilla, I suppose.
Good stuff in here. Look at the soups.
Got a few onions.
They smell wonderful.
Oh, that's crazy. What? How much were they? 50 pesos a whole
50
lot.
pesos
Oh, no.
for a bunch.
How many bunches? 20.
10.
Good stuff here, aren't they?
We're getting another solar panel here. That's what we're hoping to get anyway. What is that you've got there, sweet?
New solar controller.
Do we have one already?
Yeah, but you always need 2.
Yeah. So you can split the system?
Yeah. Okay.
Perfecto.
Okay. This one, okay.
So what do we got?
We've got new solar panel to run our water maker. We've been the big leg now.
And a whole box of capsicum. Woohoo! Now we've got oil. So Izzy's going to get an oil change before we head off. Loads of oil. And various other things. I think Magnus managed to get a solenoid for the water maker. And I'm not quite sure what else. Oh, and did I tell you? We've got, can you see in there? They're the little onions that you get here. And we went to this wholesale place and we got 10 bunches, they're that big, for 50 pesos, which is about $3 or $4 in Australia. So that's incredible. Magnus is going to pickle those for our trip. Yeah, there's our solenoid. Looks like we've got a magnet. I think that's a magnet. Magnus is after a magnet, or it could be a long thing. I think that's the magnet. Oh yeah. We're looking for that for a very long time. And we've got, looks like, I'd say fuel filters maybe? Yeah, a few of them. So, tick, tick, tick. The list is getting really short now, thanks to this lovely guy, Bobby, who's helping us today, driving around with all our stuff. And a beautiful solar panel. Whoop, 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 whoop. These are nice. Very, very bright. Wow, we're nearly full in here. It's very cozy.
Yeah, and that was some resin.
Lots of resin. They're big resin
Is that
containers. What's happening? What's happening?
I'm crying.
Why are you crying?
Oh, look. I love my pickled onions. And you can't get small onions in Mexico. So we went down the wholesale markets this morning. We bought 10 bunches of these most beautiful Mexican green onions. You can use like 99% of it. I've got a little bit left over. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pickle the onion portion, right? Then I'm going to dry these, and might also make a green onion soup because I love them. But we've got, this is one bunch, no, it's 2 bunches. For 10 bunches, like this bag chockers, for 10 of these bunches was 50 pesos, which is equivalent to, Wendy, quick maths?
$3.50 Aussie, about $2.70 American.
$3.50 Australian for all this, and this crate here, right, chockers, by overflowing it was, with red capsicums. They're beautiful, they're so sweet. Or what are they called in America?
Peppers, red peppers.
Bell peppers.
Oh yeah.
In England they're called...
Peppers?
Just peppers. Like that overflowing with these. Well, so it's about 300 pesos, which is 18 bucks.
$20, yeah.
20 bucks. $20. 20 bucks. And so I'm gonna can a lot of these, and we're gonna dry some. We're gonna do some exciting stuff there. Then, the super ripe papaya. I can't remember how cheap they are.
Hawaiian papaya.
Hawaiian papaya. They were
better. 200 for a carton.
For a carton load, a carton bigger than this.
Must have been 8 or 10 in there.
Full of them. So we always find the best places on the last day. So they had everything there. Everything you can imagine, food-wise, and then it was fun, as you can tell. And we've got all the last bits for the water maker. Excuse the mess, we're just about ready to pack. We managed to find, with our friend of our local mate, our old school solenoid. That's the starter solenoid for our water maker pump. We managed to find a new solar controller, big solar panel on the roof. We managed to find some new crates to put stuff in. We managed to find fiberglass, resin, catalyst, a fiberglass roller, rubber gloves that suit these mitts. We managed to find all the stuff that was at the end of our shopping list. And the drinks cabinet's looking good. Yeah, pretty excited. We've just about finished though, Wen.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is the microphone on?
Yeah.
Yeah. We've just about finished, ready for the trip.
The only thing we've got left to do now are perishables, which we did last minute.
We've got enough oil to do oil changes for 3 to 4 months.
Oh, cool.
And it's good Quaker State stuff. We've got enough vinegar to pickle fish till Christmas. We've got auto trans fluid for the gearbox. We've got man, we've got everything.
I just want to show you these. Look at these. How beautiful is that? Magnus is processing them in the galley for all sorts of reasons. But look at this!
Oh, there's more here. There's another packet here.
Oh my goodness, look how many of these. These things are like gold in Mexico. They're not easy to find, and when they are, they're very expensive.
Yeah, so more of these. We've got some teak. Look at this. I showed you the teak earlier.
Told them about the teak. We got some timber today too.
Yeah, we've got enough timber to
see over there, a couple of sheets of
this
ply
to make a bakeboard, to make some shelves in these cupboards. So we get a second shelf in there.
Yeah.
Because at the moment,
big hole.
These cupboards are only stacked up to about here, and you can go way up inside here. So if I put a shelf in there, we'll be able to double the capacity of each one of these cupboards.
Yeah.
This one's already got a shelf in it.
Yeah, it has, isn't it? Oh, yeah. I'm still working on sewing.
Yeah, Wendy's still sewing.
Trying to get it all done before we leave. Look at the stuff. That's all going in the crates. See these that crate? We went on a mission to find crates.
We've got 5 of those crates from the produce market for free, or for a couple of pesos.
They were nothing.
So we're going to manage now to fill that aft cabin with all our supplies. And look what Wendy's made in the aft cabin.
Oh yeah, you've seen those, I think.
Oh yeah, right.
Yeah.
With the new cushions.
Yeah.
We've been busy.
So where are we going now? I don't think you've told anybody.
Yeah, I've said by the time you watch this, you'll know we're in the Pacific. We'll be in the Marquesas by now.
So we're getting ready to go to the Marquesas, guys.
Yeah, that's
why? What happened?
Oh, it's a long story.
Another story.
You'll know about that by now too, because we're planning to do a bit of a real-time video that you would have seen by now, to let you all know that why we decided to go to the Pacific
instead of
Alaska. Like two extremes, I suppose. I'm still crying. Hard work cutting these onions.
Yeah.
Anyway, back to it.
It's looking very pretty.
Oh, I just put in all way.
Putting in, or
that's not where the hole is.
No.
Someone's moved the hole on that one.
What are you putting in there?
Just putting in all the secret bits to make pickled onions really yummy.
Okay.
And the main secret piece, the main thing to make any, here's a little secret, the main thing to make any pickling stuff exciting is allspice. Oh, yes. That's what I just think it's the secret ingredient to most things in life. I mean, this pickling spice mix is good, but allspice is the secret.
You want allspice, or you got allspice?
I haven't got any allspice yet.
Would you like me to get you some?
Yes, please.
That looks good.
Yeah. Voila. And some mustard seeds.
Whoa, I think more actually didn't make it into the container.
So now we just whack in vinegar. A little headroom at the top. Make sure they're covered. Put in the rest of these mustard seeds that ran away.
Oh, they're going to taste amazing. And
Voila.
before they turn into pickled onions.
Well, they're pickled already, but until they turn into yummy pickled onions a month.
Cool. They look so beautiful.
By the time we get to Marquesas, we'll be eating these puppies. Look at that.
How's it going?
Good.
What you cooking, mate?
You got the camera.
Yeah, shine the light on that.
Just cooking up a bit of a nutshell barbecue. Our usual evening fare. Something pretty exciting. I'm just doing some Mexican pollo with roast capsicum and some Mexican green onions, all roasted.
Looking good. And it's Carnival, the beginning of the Carnival. They're getting, I think it started today. So it's loud over there and bright and jolly and neons and it's a happening place.
Yeah, we're gonna go and check it out tomorrow night. Tomorrow night is Carnival.
Yeah.
Yeah, so look at that, look at this. I mean, hey, Jamie, come and do a cruising special and try and beat that. I mean, hey, I could be the new naked chef of cruising. No, because there's a lot better than me, but anyway, this ain't half bad. You know what would go really well with this one?
What's that, darling?
Couple of pints of OP. Oh, if only.